We're gonna do a rotation change on all 8 of these pumps. Let's get started. Gizmo. Gizmo. Oh, you should come in more often. Damien, tell us everything.
I got 8 pumps here. I got 4 P1 100s and 4 P1 075s. This is my first time doing a rotation change on one of these 100s. So usually with these smaller ones, they take a little bit less heat to crack these loose. When I heated this one up and I cracked it loose, it collapsed the bottom part of it a little bit. So now this piston won't go all the way down. It's supposed to move freely all the way up and down from top to bottom.
Okay.
What we usually do in this situation is we give this to Mike over there, and he's gonna open up the inside a little bit, just enough so that this can move freely up and down. Probably out by just like the tiniest amount too.
Will this happen on all of them?
No, it shouldn't happen. Like this one I just finished, it didn't happen on that one because I was able to get enough heat into it. Everything's held on with this red Loctite here.
Loctite again.
Yeah, so you can see it on this one still actually. And yeah, if you don't get that hot enough, then you're putting more pressure on here than you need to, and to crack it loose, and that's what happened. I just pulled on it a bit too hard and it sunk these in just a tiny little bit, but that's enough to stop this from moving freely in there. So we're gonna wait till tomorrow to see Mike because he's not here today.
Oh yeah, he got trapped in a snowstorm.
Yeah.
Did he?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's stuck in his driveway or something. Learn from my mistakes, and yeah, I won't do it again.
Willie,
Yes?
tell us about this.
I've just finished lapping a wear plate or creep plate for a premiere, and it looks pretty good. So I washed it off, and now I'm polishing it, meaning I'm taking the lapping compound off of here, even though it's been washed already, that wouldn't take it off. And I polished this, then I'm gonna check how flat it is.
Oh, with the crystal?
Yes,
That's my favorite part.
Is it a crystal?
yes.
Oh.
Quartz crystal, I think.
Quartz crystal, okay. Oh, it says it right there.
This is yeah.
Fused quartz, optical flat.
Da-da-da, the drum roll. Okay, now can the camera pick that up?
I'm supposed to be seeing lines, right?
Yes. You see them at all?
A little.
They're very tiny, right?
Yeah, it does come out a little sharper in person though.
You see? Yeah.
I see them, yeah, because in person you see them all around and yeah, you see them everywhere, I guess. So the lines are good?
Yes. That means how flat it is. And that means super flat.
Super flat?
Yeah. If it was just a little bit out, you wouldn't see any lines. Actually, is a sheet.
Right here.
Right there, yes. You know what's good and what's bad and what consistent, concave or convex.
You said it removes the lapping compound.
Yes,
What is lapping compound?
It's a certain type of, I'm not sure what the consistency of the liquid is, but besides the liquid is aluminum graphite. It's like a powder, and it gets added with a specific oil, the fluid, and it gets mixed with. And there's a certain ratio that you do. You want it to come out just, not like a gusher, just a little drop it once in a while. The same color all the way through the whole table. That means it's nice and flat.
Nice and level.
And
Perfect.
it's doing its job.
Good.
Beautiful.
All right. Thank you, Willie. Boyd.
I am working on an HPR 210.
What are you looking for on your chart?
I am just double checking that engineering didn't miss anything.
Nice.
Trying to make 2-part list, and then I will write down every part that I'll most likely need, and then just start crossing off whatever I can find. So far, I need a shaft, pistons, bearings, seals. Might need a new seal race.
What's a seal race? Is that like specific on a Lindy?
Yeah, so Lindy's, and there's a couple Gold Cups that use the seal race. So for the Lindy's, you can just swap that out instead of having to replace a whole shaft.
It's like Christmas.
Tell me something that you see wrong with this pump right now.
The control's been taken off. The control's falling off.
Why is it falling off?
Because somebody took it apart and put it back together.
No. Look closer.
This is where my...
It has something to do with the controls?
It's wet?
Yes, it has something to do with the control.
Why is it sideways?
These are...
Can we move it?
Yep.
They painted it.
Nope.
No. Why is it fall? It's not attached. Oh, the screw broke. Yes. He was like being so patient. Okay, so why would that happen? Like it kind of got snapped off?
I'm assuming during shipping it got banged around some way, and it looks like all three of these are probably broken.
So that's an easy fix, no? Like they're just
How do you
screws?
get, yeah, but how do you get that out?
Oh,
inside.
yeah, that's something I don't have the knowledge for.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's probably doable, but I think that's more of a machining guy's issue.
I don't know because it's so flat.
Yeah, a bolt removal tool thing. Basically, you drill into the center of it and you stick something in there, and it's like, as you loosen it, it tightens it. It tightens inside, and like you might be able to get it out that way. They're pretty small, so it's going to be hard. But
And are you going to test it or is Steve going to test it?
probably someone else is going to test
Probably
it. I'm not
someone
sure
else.
who.
Okay. Mark, can I ask you a quick question? You put the liquid, the abrasive and the oil stuff in the lapper?
Yes.
What's the ratio of one to the other?
First of all, the liquid is not an oil,
I was gonna say.
Okay, perfect.
but it is 1 gallon to 1 pound. It's been 6 months since we ordered it.
Gotcha.
But that 5 gallons with the 5 pounds of powder
Yeah.
is $2,000.
And how long does it last for, would you say? Like how often do we order it?
Depends how messy the guys are.
Nice.
The more they spill, the quicker we go through it.
What are you gonna have for lunch?
I don't know. There's a lot of restaurants between here and home, so I could go anywhere. Kelsey's, Boston Pizza, Featherly.
I like the
Are
last
you
one.
busting my tires? I'm gonna kill you both!
Mason, where are you going?
To Burlington.
Why?
I'm dropping parts off to our customers.
Oh, that's nice. What are you dropping off?
1 cylinder and 1 pump.
Enjoy.
Thank you. I will.
Did you test that? Is that the Lindy motor you were working on over there?
No, that's really.
What ended up? No, that's definitely not ready for testing. What's missing on it, or what was wrong with it?
It had something go through the system. It has pitting on the barrels. Other than that, it was in good shape.
So we're just waiting for them to say yes or no on a repair?
Yep.
Nice. Adele, we actually learned a lot today.
We did.
Do you want me to test your knowledge?
Fine.
Let's
You
do
know
it.
what? I can do it.
Okay. How am I gonna hold
Okay,
this
you got
thing?
this?
No.
You got it.
Oh
Hit
God,
me.
I gotta get this ready. When Damien was switching the rotation of pump 1, what problem did he have?
So he didn't use enough heat on, I think they were the servo piston, if I'm
think so.
correct.
I think
know
so.
I'm like looking over there to see it. It was servo piston, I believe, but correct me. And then there was too much Loctite, so he didn't use enough heat to get him off, so it broke.
I think that's great. What fluid does our lapping machine use?
Okay, so we didn't get that answer, but Google, vehicle number 3.
Lapping
And
vehicle number 3.
lapping vehicle number 3.
Okay, last question. What
Okay.
is the optical flat made of?
It's not crystal, although I'm still going to call it crystal. It's
No.
it's fused
That?
fused quartz.
Yes. Gotta clean it now? I wasn't supposed to touch it?
Well, no, you can grab the outside. It's just when you touch the inside, it can.
I didn't know. No. Was that enough? I don't think it was cleaned before, first of all. I think he just wanted me to do this. He told me that I wasn't supposed to touch the edges so I could clean it.
I think you're doing great.
Because I think it's cleaner than it was, therefore it was never cleaned, therefore he just...
Yeah, that's what I really think.
New boss.
I'll take him.
Used to have me here every day.
Oh, hi, sweetheart.
You like the camera. Are you happy?
Do you want to come sit with us?
Nice. Oh, no, girl.
Hi, sweetness. Do you smell my woofies?
Oh, maybe.